Good morning, students of class 9. Welcome back to the online classes now. Let us do geography, physical feature of India. In our previous class, we have talked about the Himalayas, the northern plains. Now we'll go to the peninsular region. Towards the south of northern plains of India lies the peninsular plateau region, which is tapering towards the Indian Ocean, just like a cone. Now, we'll talk about the Peninsular Plateau. In our previous class also, we have talked a little bit about Peninsular Plateau, about Central Highlands, about its boundaries and so on. So, we'll revise a little bit. Means Peninsular Plateau is divided into two parts. It is divided into two parts. The first part, Central Highlands, that is called Malwa Plateau, and the Deccan Plateau. Central Highlands and Deccan Plateau. So, the Central Highland, Malwa Plateau, the Central Highland is bounded by Aravallis in the northwest, near Rajasthan. It's a border of Malwa Plateau. Then Aravallis, then comes the deserts of Rajasthan. So the Central Highland is bounded by, enclosed by, Aravallis in the northwest and Vindhya range in the south. Aravallis in the northwest and Vindhya range in the south. And from Vindhya range there is a rift valley, Narmada and Tapi flows, and there is another Satpura range, Vindhya range, Satpura range. In between the two rivers flow towards the west, and from Satpura range onwards you will find Deccan Plateau. So Vindhya range is the boundary towards the south of these Central Highlands. So the eastward towards Bihar, Odisha, Bengal, towards this side. The eastward extension is locally known as Bundelkhand and Baghelkhand. These Central Highlands, towards the east it is called Bundelkhand and Baghelkhand, and further east it is called Chota Nagpur Plateau. Central Highlands. These are various parts. The eastward extension is locally known as Bundelkhand and Baghelkhand. That is a local name of Central Highlands toward the east. And further east, it is narrower than the western part. That means the Central Highlands is broader in the west and narrower in the east. Four rivers flow towards north. From this region, Central Highlands, four rivers flow towards the north and join River Ganga. Four rivers flow towards north and joins Ganga. Not joins, join Ganga River. These rivers, the name of these rivers are Chambal, the Son, Betwa and Ken. They flow towards the north and join River Ganga. This shows the slope of these Central Highlands. The slope is towards the north. That's why the river flows towards the north and join River Ganga. Now here, the Chota Nagpur Plateau, the easternmost part of this Central Highland, the easternmost part, near Odisha, near Bengal, the end of this. The Chota Nagpur Plateau marks the easternmost part of this Central Highland. These Central Highlands, the easternmost part, the Central Highlands, in the middle you have Bundelkhand and Baghelkhand, and from there again you go towards the east, a little more further towards the east you will find Chota Nagpur Plateau. So easternmost part of these Central Highlands, Chota Nagpur Plateau, it is drained by River Damodar. There you will find River Damodar, which flows towards the Bay of Bengal. flows towards the east and enter Biak River. That's Damodar River in the east, which flows inside Odisha and enter Biak River. So now here this is about the Central Highlands. Now we'll talk about in our next class about the Deccan Plateau, which is more important. So this much for today. We'll meet in the next class and we'll continue our lesson about Deccan Plateau. There we will learn about the Deccan Traps, about the Western Ghat, about the Eastern Ghat. The highest mountain of that Deccan Plateau is Naimodi, and the easternmost part there is Mahendragiri, and various rivers that flow towards the eastern side, and only two rivers flows towards the western side, that is Narmada and Tapti. Flows towards that is the rift they flow in the Rift Valley. We'll talk about various things about them, about Deccan Plateau. So this is about Central Highlands, and we'll talk about Deccan Plateau in our next class. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, study at home regularly. I hope you are doing so, and be wise to spend your time wisely. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.